Welcome back to the channel. It's Chad here with Sinister R, and today I have the Neheme NH525, and it does have a broken spot in its motor here. And we've gotten the replacement parts from Jason at Neheme. He sent this to me for free to get me fixed up here. And today we're going to replace this arm in real time. I won't speed anything up. This shouldn't take much more than about maybe 5 to 10 minutes. Let's go. Okay, I got my 6 screws out here at the bottom, and we should be able to just pop this top right off. Ooh, yeah. And this is our arm in question. Bang, it's off. We're unplugged. We'll save this for the motor, still good. And pop this bad boy right back into place here. And we are plugged in. And I like to try to just give it a twist here so it stays inside. And kind of tuck my arms back when I put the body back on, because it keeps these wires in check. See how it pulls those wires inside there. And bang, we are back in business. It's not a terrible job. Anybody can do this if you have a screwdriver. And let's get these screws back in and take it for a test flight. Okay, when you're tightening these up, yeah, that's nice. Whoops. Got to do that first, Chad. Okay, there you go. And just come through and cinch them down, but not so tight that you're stripping out the ABS, because it sucks when you strip these out. I just bring them nice and just snug. Okay, we're ready to go. We got some batteries. We're going to get this thing up in the air after I get the prop on it. Okay, we've located the broken prop, and that's what happened is it broke off inside there. So I'm just going to get a hold of this and get that screw removed. We're going to put this prop back into work. Oh yeah, it's coming. Here we are. So we get that screw backed out. Oh, come on. Yeah, that don't want to come out. Oop, it's stuck in there. For crying in the night. I got another B prop here somewhere. Got my handy dandy assistant on hand to B prop. That's it. That's it. We found it. I think we found the cure. Doug had pliers, and it's not coming out the easiest. We'll probably have to press it out that way with a needle or something. We got a B prop. Okay, we got a B prop back in business. And I didn't time it, but I'm thinking start to finish, we're looking at fucking 10 minutes. It's flying. Okay, we have our prop in. We're good to go. We're gonna fly it, see what happens here. Okay, we're all rebound. This is its first flight after its arm replacement. Let's see how it does. Everything's rolling smooth.
Good so far, and I'm in speed 1. Let's go ahead and just gently.
Oh yeah, but it's flying. That's all that matters. It's pretty windy right now. Yeah, it's very windy. It's flying. It was a successful arm replacement and super easy, super fast, can't go wrong. If you did have to buy that part in particular on Amazon, it's $9.99. Not a bad fix.